today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a form in Slack. We'll walk through how to get to your forms, how to start creating one, and the different options you have for building it out. And by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each choice does, so you can collect information from your team in a simple, organized way without leaving Slack. First, make sure you're in the correct Slack workspace where forms are available. From within Slack, look for the app or section labeled Forms. This might appear in your sidebar under Apps or as a dedicated channel or shortcut, depending on how your workspace is set up. Go ahead and open that so you're in the main Forms area. This is your starting point for creating and managing any form you want to use in Slack. Once you're in the Forms view, find the option that says Create Form. This is usually a button that stands out visually, often near the top or center of the window. Click on Create Form. This tells Slack that you want to build a new form from scratch or from a template rather than editing an existing one. You'll be taken to the form builder interface where you can define what information you want to collect. Inside the form builder, you'll see an option labeled Browse Templates. Go ahead and click on Browse Templates. This will open a gallery of pre-made forms that you can use as a starting point. Templates are really helpful if you're not sure how to structure your form just yet. For example, you might see templates for feedback, request, check-ins, or incident reports. You could pick a template that's close to what you need and then customize the questions, labels, and settings to match your specific use case. Using a template could save you time and help you follow a consistent format across your team. If none of the templates fit what you're trying to do, you can instead build your form field by field. To do that, look for the option that says Add Input and click on it. Add Input lets you add individual questions or data fields to your form, such as short text answers, longer descriptions, drop-downs, dates, or other input types, depending on what's available in your Forms app. Each time you click Add Input, you can define what you want to ask, set whether it's required, and adjust any options. Repeat this until your form includes all the information you need to collect. Once you've chosen a template or added all your inputs, you're ready to fine-tune and then share your form with your team directly in your Slack workspace. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.